Did you break it?
I got it. No.
You filming?
It'd be nice to be awake.
Hey, he's pushing them rods in.
No.
Pushing them bushes, rod bushings.
I
Wrist
put
pin.
18 holes. I
Wrist
came
pin.
home,
Piston
I
pin.
ate dinner.
Piston pin.
They went to a movie. They come back for the movie and they expected me to be awake.
Number 290. Forever.
290, here you go.
290. Put it right there.
I need the other one now.
Where it is. Right here.
Fred stole it.
Wait, what other one? Oh, this
Well,
one.
it takes two. We got one.
Yeah. Okay.
We got more than one?
No, I was looking for one you just did. Okay. Okay, do
You're
it.
filming down there.
Yeah, I was looking to see what you were doing. Gotta make sure you're doing it right, boss. You know what I mean.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Is this how you're supposed to do this?
Hell if I know.
Thank you for leaving.
Yeah.
Fred, am I doing this right? He's getting confused over there.
I couldn't.
This is what we call real work here, man. This is a real deal.
Yeah, I'm the one doing the work though, so you gotta pull on that lever right here.
Somebody's got to know what's going on.
It's a little loose, what happened?
Uh-oh, you got rid of that one. You want another one now, huh?
Okay, you got number 3?
Okay. You want this one here now?
Oh, I got another one?
Push
This
the
one.
bearing
This one
out.
yours?
Yep.
Does it really take rocket science?
Okay, I'm looking. I had to look there too. I can't see it go through the camera, you know.
You have to look in the lens.
What are you
Let's see
doing
the
now?
now?
What are you
camera.
pushing out?
Fred, you should be doing this.
What are you pushing out?
You need to learn
Races.
how to do this.
What's a racist?
Racist.
Yes. We're getting rid of our
What's a
races.
racist mother? Oh,
Here, Mr. Racist.
My name's Jose now.
Manuel. Jose Manuel.
Manuel Labor. What you call me Jose for?
And Fred hasn't even been drinking yet today.
Oh.
Who's that kid? Is that your nephew or something?
Oh, geez, that one didn't work for him. What happened?
I think you're
What happened over here?
Fred didn't help me.
I gotta go drink some beer. I hear my feelings. They call me Jose.
Have a good one, Gino.
I
We're
have
not race. We just remove race here. We don't play the race card.
You guys are removing it right now.
Okay. Fred, you're losing your job, Fred. Here, hurry up. Now I'm going to reverse our system here.
So the big fat one goes with this one.
That's not
And
fat,
that's
it's tall.
Big tall one
This
goes
is short
short and tall.
and tall.
They're not the same, huh?
Now this one has a chamfer, this one doesn't have a chamfer. So this is how it goes in. So that means you have to take this like that and push inward.
Look at that.
You have to
Oh
push,
man.
you have to go on the inside and push out, because if you push on this side here, it just squeezes it.
That's not good.
No,
That tends to make it bad when you do that.
That's not good.
no, we don't want
We're
to talk
bad.
about that.
Whichever way
Fred
we
says
say.
that's not good.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Fred knows all about this stuff.
Really, I was accused of not knowing how to do anything a few minutes ago.
You know why this is so special?
But
Because it's mine.
there you go. You're excited. Look at him swinging.
I know, he's good and tight.
Swinging.
Good and tight.
Deep.
Okay, what's this
German
for?
birchin.
What's this for?
To set the final.
You testing it?
What was that for, Fred?
Stressing it. Oh, what do you call it? What'd you say when you did those races the other day? You were burnishing them.
That's not burnishing. Okay, just
Well, what
chamfer,
was it
no
you doing it
chamfer.
for?
Why are you putting it? It's supposed to be on the inside, right? Not the outside or the outside?
Outside of what?
You want the chamfer on the outside or inside?
Which way's it go? Well,
you
you're
said
supposed
it-
here. You're supposed to be
No,
doing
go
this.
ahead, man. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
First time I've done it. What are you
Blind in
talking
one eye, I can't see out of the other. So
about? What's my excuse?
deaf in one ear, got ringing in the other.
I need to go to Harley school so I can figure out how to do this right.
I think so. Well, get your hand out of the way so we can see it going down.
Somebody had to hold
Uh-oh, is he getting cockeyed? No.
it. Yes.
What'd you do, man?
I did it wrong.
You did it wrong, didn't you? You missed a chamfer.
Yeah, chamfer's fine. Just didn't want to go in.
Don't force.
I am going to force it because sometimes you have to. Forced it anyway. Then you recenter it. And you push
Oh,
it in.
yeah.
Then you go a little bit more, and then you put some tension on it.
What's hanging? He's hanging.
You tight.
Tarzan.
Good and tight.
See, he wouldn't film the floor for once, so he missed all that.
No, I'm doing
If
it.
you
I'm
look
doing
down,
it.
you'd
I'm
see
doing
I got my safety shoes on. You
Yeah, man.
got my safety.
There's a
Point
lot
down
of
there.
there's a lot of comments about that on YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
Fred's
Like
safety
negative
shoes.
comments, for sure. Nothing positive.
Did I do that right?
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Did you?
I don't know. I think it's left.
I think it's center.
Left to center or right of center?
Now you have the tall
Little
one,
bit.
not the fat one, but the tall one. You got fat people and tall people.
How about short and long?
No. Oh,
Did you hear it forced in?
looks like it's crooked, but I guess it's not.
See, feet are up.
Oh, man.
Your leg lifts.
Maximum pressure on that. Did I do that right?
De-stressing.
Tatro, why are you touching it with that lead like that?
De-stressing it.
De-stressing?
Because Fred said I had to.
Fred said it right, huh?
When you press something in, it's not always in there, so if you bang it lightly each direction, it'll
Okay.
shatter.
Right.
It'll shutter it, and it'll hopefully center itself in there.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you hone these things out, and then you ride the bike, and you take it back apart, it's all out around.
Mm-hmm.
Because the race will change on you once you put a load on the bike. So we're trying to do something to make it do that now. You can also bang it on the ground a few times like that.
And if it makes a good sound,
It'll
it don't sound like ding, ding, like it cracked or something, like
If
a
you had a
bell.
shaker table, you can put on a shaker table and that'll do it too, but we don't have any of those. Next thing is you want to make sure that fits in there
Mm-hmm.
and has a little bit of clearance.
Clearance.
This is my life.
Clearance.
This is my life.
Go grind the outside, make sure they're flush, but don't screw it up.
On the back big wheel.
Yep, and don't screw it up. Make sure it's flat. Let's see if he does it right.
You want me to go with him?
If he screws it up, it's your rod, so it's okay.
Fred, you qualify for this?
No, I'm not. I'm underqualified. Overpaid and underqualified. No, wait a second.
Overqualified and underpaid.
Not paid.
Not even paid.
Not even a penny. That's okay.
Just gonna touch it, right? Bitchin', dude. Oh, yeah. Nothing's sticking up, is it?
Nope. It's good.
Nothing's sticking up.
It's good. Oh, that might have been too general, so you missed the spot.
So you do it down, do you get it down all one?
So the race isn't in the square.
Oh.
That's why you're beating on it with a hammer. I think somebody screwed up my new disc.
Yes. Who did that? Somebody put the wood.
I don't think the wood's the problem, I think it's all the metal he did. Let's see, somebody cut too much on that side, not enough on that side. This side looks a little better. See, it's more flat now.
So you're just basically checking the race, like? I mean, it's not going to be, clearance is not a
No,
problem.
it's not in the square.
Just trying to make sure that big boogers hanging out.
Okay.
See, that was a high spot, that's a low spot because the race isn't centered. See, it doesn't go in straight even though we pushed it in straight.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really bad like this, you can re-hit them and try it again.
Is it better?
And once you go blow that off and re-hit it, Fred. That's why they move when you, once they're on the bike, they'll center up on you a little bit. And
That's pretty good to me.
all right, get that off, we'll be back. Okay, we're working on our wrist pins right here. So we turn it between centers so we put any marks in it. So this motor had a bunch of trash in it, so it's all, these pistons are all grooved up even though we only got 20 miles on them. So we're taking a piece of real fine sandpaper. Let's see, what's that, 30 grit?
Yeah.
Maybe it's 3,000 grit.
We don't call it sandpaper Bill, though, do we?
It might be 3,000 grit. So we're just knocking off the high spots and pulling loose dirt out of the metal is all we're doing.
Yeah. We're doing a manual lapping.
Not lapping, just sanding. Lapping's different. See how it makes it smoother?
Yeah, yeah. Just shining it up a little. Put a little polish on it.
Not making it shinier, we're making it smoother.
Yeah. Smooth like a baby's butt.
Now they don't have those sharp edges
Yeah.
on there anymore like they had.
Bitchin'.
Okay, so now we get to move on to the wrist there. Pistons that are all grooved up too.
Those pistons had a black finish on them, huh?
At one time. See all the metal that's going through them.
Damn.
See all the shiny spots on the skirts here?
Yeah.
That's all metal from your lower end coming apart. Theoretically, it'd be nice to get rid of all of that.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to go in there with a little pick or pocket knife and knock off the big chunks. That's something you can play with. You can see how this one, the chunks are so big, it's gold in the piston. They're pretty heavy.
You don't know which is front or back, do you? Doesn't matter.
I don't know. Might have been marked at one time.
That's
the
clean on
intake.
top.
That's the intake and that's the exhaust. I know that.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the
So
front one. Mhm.
anyway, you got to clean this up a little bit and make these look better.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and hone the center board to make these so they slide in and out easier because they got
Tight.
grit. They got crap in there too. So we'll begin to those two in a few minutes. Now we got to do our rods. What'd you do with the rods?
Throw that back down there.
Where?
I guess by the press.
Hey, what'd you do with the rods?
Okay.
Hello.
The
Down.
rods.
Pretty good. What you up to?